I will get late for school. I will get late for school. मुझे स्कूल के लिए देर हो जाएगी. I forgot my lunchbox at home. I forgot my lunchbox at home. मैं अपना लंच बॉक्स घर पर भूल गया था. She is my favorite teacher. She is my favorite teacher. वो मेरी पसंदीदा टीचर है. I have to complete my assignment. I have to complete my assignment. मुझे अपना काम मुकम्मल करना है. Tomorrow will be a holiday. Tomorrow will be a holiday. कल छुट्टी होगी. I have to return the book to the library. I have to return the book to the library. मुझे किताब लाइब्रेरी को वापस करनी है. Don't be late for class. Don't be late for class. क्लास के लिए देर नहीं करना. I am going to play cricket with my friends. I am going to play cricket with my friends. मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ क्रिकेट खेलना जा रहा हूँ. Put your books down. Put your books down. अपनी किताबें रख दो. Bring your pen. Bring your pen. अपना कलम लाओ. My father is a businessman. My father is a businessman. मेरे वालिद एक ताजिर हैं. Don't forget to complete your assignment. Don't forget to complete your assignment. अपनी असाइनमेंट को मुकम्मल करना ना भूलें. Where are your friends? Where are your friends? आपके दोस्त कहाँ हैं? Go and attend your class. Go and attend your class. जाओ और अपनी क्लास में शिरकत करो. This is a boring period. This is a boring period. ये बोरिंग क्लास है. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. खाली जगह पुर करें. Can you help me? Can you help me? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? When is the exam? When is the exam? इम्तिहान कब है? I am preparing for the test. I am preparing for the test. मैं इम्तिहान की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ. Bring the attendance register. Bring the attendance register. हाज़िरी रजिस्टर लेकर आएं. Why were you absent yesterday? Why were you absent yesterday? कल गैर हाजिर क्यों थे? Who all are present today? Who all are present today? आज सब कौन मौजूद हैं? I will mark your attendance. I will mark your attendance. मैं आपकी हाज़री लगाऊंगा. Come inside and sit here. Come inside and sit here. अंदर आओ और यहाँ बैठो. Get up early in the morning. Get up early in the morning. सुबह जल्दी उठें. Stop running. You may fall. Stop running. You may fall. दौड़ना बंद करो. आप गिर सकते हैं. I don't understand the question. I don't understand the question. मुझे सवाल समझ नहीं आया. We have to write all the answers. We have to write all the answers. हमें तमाम जवाबात लिखने हैं. Give me a piece of paper. Give me a piece of paper. मुझे कागज़ का एक टुकड़ा दो. He is disturbing the class. He is disturbing the class. वो क्लास को परेशान कर रहा है. Quit talking in the classroom. Quit talking in the classroom. क्लासरूम में बात करना छोड़ दें. I like to read books. I like to read books. मैं किताबें पढ़ना पसंद करता हूँ. The weather is hot today. The weather is hot today. आज मौसम गर्म है. We will go to the park. We will go to the park. हम पार्क जाएंगे. They went to the zoo yesterday. They went to the zoo yesterday. वो कल चिड़ियाघर गए थे. The library is very quiet today. The library is very quiet today. आज लाइब्रेरी में बहुत खामोशी है. She likes to write stories. She likes to write stories. उसे कहानियाँ लिखना पसंद है. I forgot my pen at home. I forgot my pen at home. मैं अपना कलम घर में भूल गया हूँ. What is the homework for today? What is the homework for today? आज का होमवर्क क्या है? I have finished my homework. I have finished my homework. मैंने अपना होमवर्क मुकम्मल कर लिया है. The class teacher is very good at teaching. The class teacher is very good at teaching. क्लास टीचर पढ़ाने में बहुत अच्छी है. The principal will announce something today. The principal will announce something today. Principal आज कुछ ऐलान करेंगे. Everyone was singing in the classroom. Everyone was singing in the classroom. Classroom में सब गा रहे थे. Dancing is not allowed in school. Dancing is not allowed in school. स्कूल में नाच गाने की इजाज़त नहीं है. Finish your breakfast. Finish your breakfast. अपना नाश्ता ख़त्म करो. I had a fun day at school. I had a fun day at school. मैंने स्कूल में अच्छा दिन गुजारा. Cut your nails. Cut your nails. अपने नाखून काट लो. Trim your hair. Trim your hair. अपने बालों को छोटा करो. Where is the chalk? Where is the chalk? Chalk कहाँ है? Who wrote on the board? Who wrote on the board? बोर्ड पर किसने लिखा? Wash your hands. Wash your hands. अपने हाथ धोएं. Respect your elders and teachers. Respect your elders and teachers. अपने बुजुर्गों और असातिज़ा का एहतराम करें. Stop laughing. Stop laughing. हंसना बंद करो. The classwork is very difficult. The classwork is very difficult. Classwork बहुत मुश्किल है. He is helping me. He is helping me. वो मेरी मदद कर रहा है. What is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? आपका पसंदीदा मज़मून क्या है? I cannot find the questions. I cannot find the questions. मैं सवालात नहीं ढूंढ सकता. I am glad the holidays have begun. I am glad the holidays have begun. मुझे खुशी है कि छुट्टियां शुरू हो गई हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. अगर आप फ्री इंग्लिश कोर्स जीतना चाहते हैं तो कमेंट में इंटरेस्टेड लिखें और लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.